guys, Los Car 5.0 here. Today we're going to be doing a little install. I'm going to be installing some Cervini's upper and lower grills on the 5.0, aka what I call it, Chewbacca. So we got some goodies here from Cervini's. This is a C-Series grill. I had the RTR upper and lower with the grill lights as well. I decided to give it a little bit of a change. I've always been a big fan of the Cervini C-Series grill. They look quite simple, yet really bold and aggressive at the same time. So I'm excited to get these on the car. Each kit came with these little bags. I guess, you know, get your decal, your instructions, basically like your bill of material of all the parts and all your hardware that you need. So installation should be pretty simple. Taking off the bumper is not a big deal. I've already done that a couple times. So here we go.